Ever wondered how your favorite cozy sweater comes to life? Today, we're taking you behind the scenes to explore the fascinating process of sweater making using modern, state-of-the-art machines. It all begins with the careful selection of premium yarn. Each thread is chosen for its softness, strength, and durability. Once selected, the yarn is wound onto spools, ready to be fed into the machines to start the knitting process. Advanced computerized knitting machines are the backbone of sweater production. Designs are programmed into the system, allowing the machines to knit intricate patterns with remarkable precision. From simple styles to complex designs, these machines deliver unmatched efficiency and accuracy. After the fabric is knitted, it's time to cut and shape it into different components like sleeves, collars, and body panels. Modern cutting tools ensure each piece is perfectly shaped, maintaining the integrity of the design. Once the pieces are ready, they are stitched together to form a complete sweater. Using advanced stitching machines, workers ensure durability and flawless seams, giving the sweater its structure and shape. Next comes the washing and finishing stage. Each sweater is carefully washed to enhance its softness and texture. Afterward, it's dried and pressed to ensure a smooth and polished appearance. Every sweater undergoes a strict quality control process. Experts check for any defects, ensuring that only the highest quality products make it to the shelves. Finally, the sweaters are folded, tagged, and packaged, ready to reach customers around the world. From yarn to wardrobe, the sweater making process combines modern technology with craftsmanship to bring you comfort and style. So the next time you wear your favorite sweater, you'll know the precision and care behind its creation.